Dag. Repeat after me. You. Who? Where? What? Was? To. Tomorrow. Together. Today. To. They. The. Some. Said. One. Of. Love. Into. Have. From. For. 8. Do. Come. Are. Okay, so for this lesson, we have two new spelling rules, okay? Two new letter sounds. And this one is thimble, feather. Okay, so they're both TH, but one makes a vibration sound. You can feel it, okay? And that's called voiced. But we'll go ahead and get into the lesson. Okay, we're not going to do any more of the review cards. Okay, once again, here are your spelling words for the week. We will test on them, okay? So make sure you read through them and learn how to spell them and say them and know how to say them in a sentence. Okay. For this lesson, you have your first little reader, fun today and fun tomorrow. Okay, you need to read through this, okay? You can color it if you want to, but I want you to read these pages, and at the end of the book is understanding the story. So there's 3 questions that you should read and answer, okay? This is just for you. This book was working on short and long vowel sounds, consonants and twin consonants, blends, CK, digraph CK, digraph TH, the VCCV pattern, and sight words, okay? So these books are short, but very important for you to practice and read. All right, we're going to go ahead and go through the spelling sounds. I'm going to mix them up. Echo after me. A. E. Now I'm putting the marking on them so we know it was a long vowel sound. I. B. D. G. J. K. You remember how we do this one now? Now it is K, comma, C, final, digraph, C, K. So in the final position of a word, if you hear the sound K at the end of a word, the final position, you put a CK. Okay? O. M. O. U. N. A, Z, X, E, I, A, Okay, and our two new sounds is th, as in feather, and as in thimble. So the voiced and the not voiced. Turn your papers over. Review, whoops. Review words. Number 1, echo after me, black. B-L-A-C-K. Number 2, clock. C-L-O-C-K. And number 3, trick. T-R-I-C-K. Okay. Remember, when you have the short vowel sound, you put a CK at the end of the word. Okay, we learned this rule yesterday. Sight words, number 4, 2. T-O. Number 5 is 8, like in the number 8. E-I-G-H-T. And number 6 is the number 4. F-O-U-R. Remember to read and spell your sight words in the high frequency word box. Okay. Echo these words and listen to the sound in the beginning or initial position. Then, than, there, those. Sorry, I didn't point to the words. Then, than, there, those. Okay, what sound do you hear in the initial position? Exactly. Okay. Now I'm going to write echo these words, them, this. Can you tell what is making the sound in these words? That's right, the T and the H. What do we call two letters that make one sound? Two letters that come together to make one sound. A digraph, that's right. The letters TH are a digraph. Now echo these words and listen to the sound in the ending or final position. Math, moth, path. Can you tell what is making the sound in these words? That's right, the T and the H. makes the sound and also the sound. The difference between these sounds is that one is voiced and the other is unvoiced. Let me show you. Put your hand on your throat and say this sound. Like in the word think. Think. Okay, voiced sounds make your vocal cords vibrate or move. The sound is not voiced because it does not make your cords vibrate, okay? So when you have a word, like in the word math, 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 you don't feel your vocal cords moving, okay? So that's not voiced, okay? And then if you say the word then, you feel that vibration when you say the word then, okay? So that means it's voiced. I know it's kind of confusing between voiced and unvoiced, and that's okay. If you don't understand it, you can practice some more, but it's not a big deal, okay? So just try, and if you can't do it, it's okay. Just know that the two letters TH are consonant digraphs, okay? And remember to code a digraph, you just underline it. If you don't know if this is voiced or unvoiced, or you don't know if you should cross it out or not, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, then we look at the vowels. All of these vowels are followed by a consonant. So you code it with a breve. Okay, we already went over the new picture cards, the thimble and feather. So going back over to your high frequency words worksheet. Go to new words, number 7, that. TH. AT. Number 8, then. THEN. And number 9, bath. BATH. Okay. We're going to go ahead and go to your worksheet. On the back is the homework. Remember, this is working on digraph TH along with everything else we've already have learned about. We're going to code each word. Well, first I'm going to look, do I have any digraphs? I do. I have 2 digraphs. I have the digraph CK that I learned about yesterday and a digraph TH. I have a vowel followed by a consonant and code it with a breve. Now my word says ick, thick. Okay. Next one. Do I have any digraphs? I do. I have the TH. I have a vowel followed by a consonant. I code it with a breve. If, with. Digraph TH. My vowel is followed by a consonant. Code it with a breve. Path. Okay, I have another consonant digraph. Cross out the C because I only hear the k sound. My vowel is followed by a consonant. Code it with the breve. Rock. Okay, now this one is an open-ended vowel, so it's coded with a macron. And it has a digraph TH. the. So some people say the, or they say the, okay? If you notice the, when I say the, my vocal cords are vibrating, so that means the TH is voiced, and I would cross it out to show me that it's voiced. Okay, here's a word that has 2 vowels in it. When we have a word that has 2 vowels in it, we know we need to follow the VCCV pattern. My vowel is followed by a consonant, coded with a breve. This vowel is also followed by a consonant, so I code the O with the breve. I have a C right here. Oh no, I forget what I do with the C when it's followed by an O. I'm going to get my student dictionary, and I know there's a rule in here about the C. I wonder if it's under the spelling rules. So let's go to page 51. Right here, K and C spelling rules. A K before an E, I, or Y, so that means a C is before anything else, an A, O, U, or any consonant. So it's going to sound like a K. And what do we have to do? That's right, we have to put a K back when it's followed by an O. Okay? So now I know how to say this word. Mascot. 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 Okay, so let's see. We have a path here, the walking path the arrow is pointing to, and that is a rock. Okay, on the other side, there's a short letter for your parents, and here are the words to code and say. All right? So work on that. That is your lesson 12 worksheet.